we try to get in here? Tema Kruszywa. Of course. I wouldn't be myself if I won't go in here and check, right? I really wanna see it. But this is not broken. You record this? Yes. Should we go up first? This is insane. I wanna go up there. Is this safe? I think it's safe. Oh wow. Is this locked? Doors are locked. Anyway, super cool place. Try to get down now. Oh my god, this is so high, guys. Look at this. Super high. Okay. On that side. Should try to get in here. Let's start this camera as well. Of course, this place looks like it's not in use many years. Of course, see, everything is so old and rusty. Okay, I will try go up and maybe how we can get in there. I wanna take a walk on this one. Is it even possible to get there? I have to climb on the top of that. No, I can't do that. I'm not gonna risk my life to climb on this up behind me, and or should I? No. Okay, let's explore a little bit more here. Another doors. Inside here. Is it open? This is open. So much old stuff. Okay, I won't touch anything here. I'll close the doors. Oh, someone been eating here. zero sugar. Container. What do we have here? This is Swedish company. So data cabinets. Okay, we won't go in there. Let's try to take a look here. Too bad, so people even in that place is like they leave so much trash. This place is insane. Oof. This is falling down, and I can. But it's super deep here. It's like in this lake can be like about 20 meters. So I don't want to even try to go in there. And, really interesting place. And this is insane for me, like how people could forget about that. There is like someone mark it on the map like abandoned place, and Polish government don't even take care about that. Everything gets like more and more lost. One day all this place will collapse. So this is one of the reasons why I even filmed this. Okay, it's cool to be here to film this, to see that, to show that, guys. But also like videos, there are like memories. This place will collapse soon. I hope not now. And I will have it forever in that video. Right. Now I have to try to find a safe way to get back. How we can get back here? This is broken already. Same way like I get in here, but opposite, right? So. Shit, I didn't even start to record this. Let's go back then. And let's redo the whole shot. This is like the part of the big crane, I think. Yeah, there's old console inside, some wires. Super cool. There's more of this stuff apart. We're gonna take a look here closer. Oh, there's like another piece of the crane, or some like service platform, or how you call that thing. Look at this chair. Oh, so of course trash everywhere. People. Getting trash everywhere.